One morning, the three friends found huge, unfamiliar footprints in the forest. Crab gasped, "These weren't here yesterday." The strange footprints set alarm bells ringing in Turtle's mind. Something felt wrong. Something felt dangerous. They followed the trail carefully. Turtle whispered, "Stay close and quiet." His heart thumped as loudly as a drum. At the end of the trail, they found a huge lost cow. She mooed softly. That the dangerous footprints came from her, Turtle laughed. Well, that set alarm bells ringing for nothing. Together, they walked the cow safely home. Set alarm bells ringing, meaning to make someone feel worried or suspicious that something is wrong. Example: finding the door open when I came home. Set alarm bells ringing. Fill in the blank. The broken window really, for the neighbors. Answer. Set alarm bells ringing. When something feels wrong, trust your instincts. Little clues can set alarm bells ringing for a good reason.